She's like, I want all of them. But somehow I still end up with only 2 in my hands. Oh, yeah, there you go. Those are your favorite 2, aren't they? Yeah. Oh, those lions are tempting. Ah.